Ma?
Can't you hear that someone is knocking? Are you deaf?
Ma, I'm sorry, I was just trying to...
Get the gate and stop explaining nonsense.
Yes, ma. Yes. What are you looking for?
Good morning. I am the new house keeper.
Oh, wait. Ma, the person said she's the new house help.
Let her in.
Okay, ma. She can come in.
Let's talk inside. You can sit.
Thank you.
Yeah. So, our former housekeeper, she relocated. We felt like we needed a new one. We had to reach out to your agency. By our, I mean my brother and I. I actually stay with my brother. That's him over there. She should have been the one talking to you, but unfortunately, he had an emergency. He had to travel out. But don't worry, he'll be back in a couple of weeks. Yeah, so now that I've put everything I need to put out there, your job description is quite simple. Just do the house chores, I guess. Cooking, cleaning. The agency must have told you what to do, right?
Yes, they did.
Yeah, that's nice. So I'll take you to your room. You starting immediately?
Mm-hmm.
You
I
are?
just need to grab my bag outside.
Yeah, be quick about that, please. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah. Confused?
No.
You need help?
No.
Yes? Yes, how may I help you?
Are you out of your mind?
Madam, where are you going? Who are you and what are you looking for?
Are you crazy?
No, I'm not crazy. You cannot just enter here now. I'm asking for security reasons.
Do you think I'll be trying to get into the house if I'm not supposed to be here in the first place? Huh?
Who are you?
Get out now.
Excuse me. What's going on there?
Hi! You must be Mari.
Oh. And you must be Miss Tricia.
Yes, I am.
Oh.
Good to meet you.
Nice.
Uba has said a lot about you.
It's my pleasure. Come, let's catch up inside.
Oh, sure.
Don't worry, Mr. Roy, please help her with the bag.
No. I wouldn't want to stress the young man at all.
No?
Yeah, no.
It's not stress. It's his job. I mean, we pay him for it.
Miss Mari, I insist, okay? Come on. Come on, let's go.
If you insist.
Yeah.
Good. I'm good. I'm very fine.
Oh, perfect.
Wow, good to see you. Good to see you. So we have a lot to talk about.
Okay.
You know?
I love catching up.
Yeah.
I have seen pictures, and all I can say is pictures do not do you justice.
Really?
Yes.
So are you trying to say I'm not photogenic?
My darling, you are stunning in person.
Oh,
What?
thank you so much. I appreciate that.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, Miss Tricia, this is Miss Camila, the new housekeeper. Miss Camila, this is Miss Tricia, my brother's girlfriend.
Oh, nice to meet you, ma'am.
Thank you. Nice to meet you too. But can you call me Tricia instead? By the way, I got you this beautiful package here.
Let me see.
There you go. Open it. Open it.
Perfumes!
Yes.
How did you know I love perfumes?
Well, your brother must have helped me
And
to
you
find
got-
something to get for you.
Wow, you got my best. Oh,
You like them?
fuck, Aldi, I love them.
Perfect.
Thank you so much.
I'm so happy you like them. So can I keep them for you?
Nope. I have a place where I hide my perfumes because I'm a perfume lover, so you cannot catch my perfume on my table.
Are you serious?
A minute, please.
Wow.
I'm coming. Let me hide. I'm coming.
Oh well. I didn't plan to meet you, but since I have met you, you can have this.
Thank you, my boy. You don't have to.
Come on, come on. If you don't take this, you break my heart.
Oh,
Take it. Here. All for you.
thank you.
Wait, you're saying you've not fixed this car? Since yesterday, I told you to fix this car yesterday. Why? Why haven't you fixed the car?
Ma,
You-
I'm very sorry, ma.
You're very sorry. So, wait, what can I use now?
Hi, everybody.
Hi.
Miss Mary, you don't look too happy.
It's him. It's him. I told him that we'll be going out by 3 this afternoon. He should repair the car since he had a fault. And now he hasn't done it. He's giving me excuses. Is it nice?
Just find a way in your heart to please forgive him. Please. Sometimes we forget to do something sometimes.
Forget to do it. After reminding him.
Would you try it next time?
No, ma, I promise. I won't. I promise.
You see? You'll never do it. So please forgive him. Please.
Fine. Fine. Forgive you.
Thank you, ma.
Don't thank me. Don't thank me. Thank her.
Big madam, thank you.
Anyways, so I brought these for you. Here, have it.
For me?
Yes, for you.
Thank you very much, ma.
Yeah.
I appreciate, ma.
Never mind, it's nothing.
So, go fix the car now.
Yes, ma. I will.
I can't believe you got something for everybody.
Come on, I'm sweet like that.
You are, really?
Yes.
Alright, since I can't go out again.
Don't, come on, let's just go. You'll be fine.
I know. Yes, I'm telling you, bro. She's such an angel. She's kind, she's humble, she's sweet to everybody. Yeah. You know, you just hit a jackpot with this one. Guess what? She got something for everybody. Down to the gate man. I'm telling you, I was shocked when she brought it out. I'm like, oh, I got this for you. I'm like, wow. Don't worry, I'll take care of her. I'll try my best. You know how I am now. Yeah, I'm telling you the truth. She's so sweet and energetic and happy. You'll enjoy having a conversation with her, honestly. Yeah, by the way, how's Canada? It should be cold, right? Oh, sorry. No, that's your business. Don't go and die of cold. I was telling you.
Who did it? Who did it? Oh, it's you. I thought it was an intruder. I almost broke your head. What are you doing here?
The thing is, something flew out from the window, so I just came to pick it up.
Oh, okay. I'm Roy, by the way.
Yeah, right. You mentioned that earlier.
Oh, I did. I forgot.
Yes, I am Camila, by the way.
Oh, yes, I remember. You mentioned earlier too. So how are you finding the place? How are you adjusting?
Pretty well. Fair enough.
Okay, good. Everybody's nice. You see, even the new madam.
Oh, Trisha.
Yes.
She looks very cool.
I thought somebody was here as an intruder, but me being a security man, I had to protect you people. But it's good to know that nobody is here.
Well understood.
All right, I'll see you around, I guess.
All right.
All right. Good night.
Good night.
Babe, you need to see the house I'm in. What? This guy has so much money. He's stinkingly rich. What? He only stays with his sister and his house help alone. Girl.
Trisha, it's Camila.
Can I call you back, please? Okay, babe. What did you just call me? Huh?
Trisha, you said I should call you Trisha.
What? Look, listen and listen very carefully. It is Trisha when we're in front of Maria and Ma when we're alone. Do you understand me?
Yes, ma'am.
And the next time you come into my room without knocking, I would show you. And do not forget, you will have to wait outside there until I'm ready to let you in next time. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
Sorry for yourself. Now get out of my room.
My thing is, I can...
Get out of my room! Stupid dolls. Wow. This food tastes so good. Camila.
Yeah?
She's a good cook.
Her
food is delicious.
Of course. Her food is the best.
Wow. I'm impressed. Your food is absolutely amazing. Like, I'll give you 100. You're welcome. What are you doing? Just join us on this table, right? Please.
You can join us if you want to.
Please. Please join us. Sit. Okay, perfect. We're waiting. Oh, she's so cute. Wow. Little salt. Not too much salt. It's good.
Please sit.
You know, my dad taught me to treat everyone, irrespective of whom they are, equally.
He was very, very nice person.
Yes, my father is. So sometimes I wish I had the power to make or create a very classless society, where everyone is equal, But I don't have the power. So I'm just probably gonna start from here, in this corner.
Oh. Hey, what was that? Huh?
Ma?
Are you dumb? What just happened?
Ma, I don't understand. What do you mean by what just happened? You asked me to sit down and... that...
I asked you to sit down, and you went there and you sat down like that. Have you forgotten your place in this house? Have you? Have you forgotten you're just a cleaner in this house? Okay. The next time I say sit, you don't sit, okay? Do I make myself clear?
Yes, ma.
Well, give me a glass of orange juice. Make me a glass of orange juice right now.
Ma, please, I don't understand. Do you want it cold? If you want it in the fridge?
Make me a fresh glass of orange juice from the scratch. Get it now? I don't like preserved drinks. Now.
Hey. I brought the plates.
You didn't have to. I could have just... You could have told me, so I'll just come pick it up myself.
It's fine. I mean, you already cooked the food and brought it to me. I felt it's only right if I help bring the plate back. Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Okay. I'll see you around.
Hey, sweetie. How are you? How's everybody? How is Canada? Oh my gosh. Your sister. She's an amazing person. I mean, you didn't tell me she's such a sweetheart. Camila?
Ma?
Yeah. You see? She's a sweetheart. Yeah. She just... No, I told her to give me a glass of juice. Yeah. You can go now. Yeah. She's she's perfect. But babe, I miss you so much. I miss you so much. Okay, fine. So then I'll speak to you later. All right, bye. Camila! Camila! I asked for a glass of juice! And what the hell did you make for me?
Ma, this is a glass of juice.
Are you okay? Have you lost it?
What happened? I'm hearing your voice like you scared me. What happened?
It's just a misunderstanding, right?
Oh God, goodness, you scared me when you were just like that because of
No, never mind. Camila, just get back to what you're doing. Okay. She gave me the wrong juice. Camila, right? Here, you can take it back
Yes,
now.
the wrong juice, sorry.
Yes. Yeah, you can go.
Wait, because she gave you. Oh God, you scared me.
I'm sorry. It's just a tiny misunderstanding. You can go now.
Please don't make this kind of mistake again, okay?
Yeah.
Thanks, sorry, ma.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Which juice do you want?
She knows. Camila.
Miss Camila. Is anything the matter? You know you can talk to me if there's any problem in this house, right? Say it. Hey, Marie.
Your brother will speak to you.
Oh, brother. I'll speak to you later. Bro. How are you? It's been a long time, though. Why haven't you called me?
What were you going to say? Huh? What were you going to say? You know, your ability to keep this job depends on me, right? But don't you know? And hence, you need to know when to shut up. And in case you don't know, Uba is my boyfriend, okay? And your boss. So any word from me to him about you, you lose your job. You don't want that, do you? Good. Off you go. Mary, are you okay?
Hi.
Oh, hi.
I brought you food.
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh.
Camila, are you okay?
I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm okay.
I just noticed you had tears in your eyes earlier.
Oh, it's nothing. Sometimes I just cry over the most unnecessary things. But I'm fine. I'm okay. Good night.
I can see someone is up to something. Hey, sweetie. How are you?
Not too good. My brain is on fire.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to solve these questions. It's really not easy.
Oh, anyways, I'm so bored in this house. And I decided to take you out shopping with me. What's up? What do you think?
Look, I would really love to go out with you. I mean, that's what I love to do, but I need to solve these questions. They're really important.
But you can always come back for them.
No. I need to solve them, please.
But you know, I wanted both of us to bond while shopping. Come on.
Yeah, of course, we're going to do that. You know, by the time my brother comes back, we do a lot of that together. But right now, I need to study. Some other time, please.
Fine.
Yeah.
Anyways,
So, Mr. Roy will drop you. Whenever you're ready to go, just meet him, tell him I asked you to tell him to drop you.
Wait a minute. Roy, the gate man.
Oh, he can drive actually. He shuffles with him manning the gate and driving, so you're safe, okay?
I see. Anyways,
Yeah?
what would you want me to get for you? Anything?
Nah, I don't need anything.
You don't need anything?
Mm-hmm.
Forget it. I have the perfect thing to buy for you.
Oh, really?
Wait on it.
Okay.
See you soon.
See you soon. Take care. Have fun.
Okay, you too. Roy?
Yes, ma'am.
Wait here. Do not move an inch until I get back. Understood?
Yes, ma'am. Mama, can I wait in the car? The sun is a bit much. Oh, sorry, ma. I'll wait out here.
Oh! How dare you touch me? Who the hell are you? Do you know how expensive my clothes were?
Please get out of this place!
He's just a little boy.
Did you just speak to me? Huh?
I'm sorry, ma'am. It's just that he's a little boy.
Will you shut up? Who are you to advise me, huh? Who? Look, the next time you put your mouth into things that does not concern you, be ready to lose your job!
I'm sorry, ma'am.
Stupid ass.
Come. What are you even doing around there? Where's your mother? Why you not come stay with them? Take. Stop begging around there. Go and stay with your mother.
Oh, God.
Hi, Mary.
Hi, Auntie.
Thought you might need something to snack on, so I brought you this.
Really, it's almost like you read my mind. I need this. This maths is just annoying.
How's the studies going?
It's not going fine, to be honest. Like, mathematics is not something that I can do. It's very hard.
Well, I don't think mathematics is that difficult. I mean, it was my favorite subject in school.
What did you say? Your favorite subject, mathematics. How does that even work?
See, let me tell you something, okay? I don't think mathematics is that complicated. All you need to do is to know your formulas, okay? In fact, let me show you my simple tricks. That's if you'd like me to.
Yeah, of course, please.
Okay. I have some tricks to show you.
Okay.
Let me see.
Ma, let me help you now.
Roy!
Sorry, man.
You don't have to wait for you to open the door. Open the freaking door!
Sorry, man.
Stupid ass!
So, did I get it?
Yes.
Oh my God!
Yes, you did.
So nice! Oh my God! See, I told you.
Mathematics is all about knowing the formulas, and it's so easy.
This is like the 10th question I'm getting right. I'm so happy.
I'm so proud of you.
Thank you so much. Auntie Camila, you know you're very smart, and I don't think you're supposed to be doing this kind of job. But why did you decide to do this kind of job?
Okay. You see, the thing is, I'm a graduate, and ever since I left school, I have been looking for jobs, and yeah, I couldn't get any. But then I found myself attached to this agency, but I'm sure it's only going to get, I'm hoping it gets better from here.
I hope so too. I mean, someone as smart as you are should be doing something else, not cleaning.
It's okay. Okay, now let's get back to your studies. I'm so proud of you.
Thank you so much. Now I'm a math genius. Yeah.
Yes, you are.
Come in.
Hey, how are you? Yeah, let me have my bag. Thank you. Yeah. Hold on. Here. For the stress.
I'm fine, thank you.
What? Come on, I insist now. Take. Take it, take. You don't have to thank me. I should be thanking you. Hey, Mary, it took me all the way to the mall. Yeah. God bless you. Yeah, Mary, you need to see what I got for you.
Oh, okay. Camila, kitchen. Come on, wait. I have something for you.
Here. No, thank you, man. Thank you. I'll just be in the kitchen.
Camila, you know, refusing gifts can be disrespectful sometimes.
With all due respect, man. Thanks for the thoughtfulness.
Miss Camila, why? She got you this and she seems so excited about it. Please take it.
Come on, take it. Take it. Sweet girl.
And thank you so much. I really understand a lot now.
And you, I got you something.
Okay.
This beautiful shoes, and I told you.
This is so nice. I told you because
perfume. I knew you would love this.
Oh, it's so pinky and cute. I like it.
One more thing.
Okay.
Ta-da! All for you.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, perfume.
I know they're your favorite.
This is too much. Like, all these for me?
Marie, there's nothing too much for my baby sister-in-law.
Thank you so much.
And you know what my father used to tell me? Whenever you go for shopping, make sure you buy for your family. I don't have any other family than you guys, so care. Period.
Cute. You know, my brother made a good choice. You're so sweet.
Oh my god. I want to cry now.
No, don't cry.
So emotional.
Thank you so much for this.
Okay.
So, like I said, I'm almost done with my study. I'll take them upstairs.
That's what you always do. So good luck with that.
No, don't worry about them. I'll take them with me.
Perfect. I'll take mine.
There are perfumes in it, and you know I have a place where I keep my
Okay, whatever. See you later.
Do you need anything?
Oh, my baby. You didn't think I was going to buy you designers, did you? Huh? And come, let me see your hands.
Oh.
What sort of help gets their nails done and eyelashes done? I'm confused. Are you trying to steal my boyfriend away from me?
I'm not trying to steal anybody away, man. As a matter of fact, I work with a reputable agency. And the reason why I'm here is because they can afford my services.
Oh, I see. I'm taking my dress back. Rubbish.
Hello, Benny. Don't worry. I'll send you some money next week. I've not received my salary yet. Don't worry, it's okay. Yes, I'm fine. All right.
Hey. Why are you washing clothes by this time?
It's from Madam Fisher.
Madam Trisha asked you to wash clothes by this time? Okay, so why didn't you just use the washing machine inside?
Well, she insisted I use my hands instead of the washing machine.
You know, sometimes I think that lady is bipolar. one moment she's nice, another moment she's the devil. I don't understand. Pick a side.
You know, I actually never thought of it. Well, come to think of it, I think she might be bipolar.
Yes, she probably is. Anyways, let me keep you company since you're not doing much.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
So how was your childhood like? You know, I actually do enjoy talking to you.
Really?
Yeah. I'd like to do this again.
That is if Madam Bipolar would ask me to wash clothes late night again.
I mean, you don't have to be washing clothes. We stay in the same compound. So, same time, same place tomorrow?
I guess so. I mean, it's not that bad talking to you.
Oh, so you enjoy talking to me?
I didn't say so.
Right, you're being modest. Let me get you water, okay?
Okay.
Good morning, Miss Camila.
Good morning, Mary. How are you?
I'm very, very fine. Pasta, really? Well, that's my favorite food. So what should I help you with?
No, don't worry. I'm fine.
It wasn't a request.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Come and cut the onions.
You want me to cry this morning? You didn't see tomato or anything I can do.
No, just do this one. It's good for you.
Healthy tears, healthy cry. Hi.
Favorite people.
Good morning, Miss Trisha.
Morning, my love.
How are you?
Very well.
Good morning, ma.
Morning, Camila. You know I told you Trisha. Remember?
Good morning. Let me quickly watch this.
So, what are you making?
She's making pasta, my favorite food.
Pasta!
Yeah.
Oh my god. Look, it's like our spirits are working together. I mean, I woke up with this strong urge to eat pasta. And here you are making pasta. Oh my goodness. I'm so happy.
That's nice. Don't worry, very soon we'll be ready.
Yes. Come on, Mary. Let me do that for you.
No. You know what? It's my duty.
No.
Let me just do it.
Come on. I insist. Marie. Okay, I insist.
Yeah. Trisha?
I've been searching for the
What's
one,
that line?
just the one for me. I've been looking for the one, just the one for me. And when you came, I thought I found you. And when you came, I thought I stopped the search, oh. And when you came, I thought I found the one. And when you came, I thought I've stopped the search, oh. But you just prove you're a terror in the night. Wolves in sheep's clothing, predator pretending to be prey.
Here, take. Go to the shop on the street and get me sardine. Now.
Okay, my boy, I was watching the car, so I'll go and get the sardine after I'm done.
After you're done. Are you out of your mind? You will go and get that sardine now.
Ma, the soup on the car is bad for the paint.
What? Are you crazy? How dare you challenge me? Huh?
Why will you do that now?
If you don't get that sardine in 5 minutes, you see if you don't lose your job.
What do you think you are, Seth? You don't treat people like that just because you can.
What? Are you speaking to me? Huh? How dare! Let go of me now. Let go of me! Let go of me! You will regret this. I promise you. Stupid ass. What? What? Get out! Crazy people. Mental people.
No, I'm not okay. How could she do that to me? I'm a graduate. A freaking graduate, for crying out loud. Not for this messed up country. Will I be here working for this woman?
Reading. Return. And out.
Hey, Mr. Shah. Mr. Shah, you okay?
I'll be fine, Marie.
No, please, talk to me. What happened? Is anything the matter?
Marie, I really don't want to cause any problems.
Miss Trisha, please talk to me. Please.
It's Roy.
The gay man?
Yeah, the gate man.
What did he do?
He insulted me.
What?
All because I was showing him ways to clean the car. You need to hear everything he said to me. He insulted my mother, he insulted my father, he insulted my whole generation.
No, that can't be. Wait. You mean Roy said all of those things to you?
What did I ever do to deserve this? What?
I'm coming, just a minute. Let me sort something out. Really? No, this is...
Roy!
Ma?
Have you lost your mind somehow? Is anything wrong with your head?
Ma, what did I do?
Why did you insult Miss Trisha?
Me? Ma,
Well, in case you don't know, let me explain it to you. Miss Trisha is not just any lady you see in this house. She is my brother's girlfriend. That makes her your boss. So you will give her every single respect you have, just as you respect me and my brother. Is that okay by you? Am I clear enough?
Yes, ma.
You better mind yourself because the next time I hear about this...
Again, a witch. Now you pumping water, now you still go reporting.
Hey, are you okay?
I don't know. I feel like I'm going to lose my job soon.
By the way, I brought you food. Why do you feel so?
I don't know what Madame Trisha told Madame Marie. Madame Marie just came on shouting at me. I prefer when things was just Big Oga and Madame Marie. Ever since Madame Trisha came here, it's one problem to the other. I'm tired.
You see, because I told you not to get into any problem with her. She's troublesome. See, I think you just have to hold it out, okay? You'll be fine. Abi, do you have a job that you kept somewhere? You have to continue with this one. Sorry.
The only person that has made working here possible has been you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
What did you bring? So, it smells nice. So. Thank you.
What's going on here? Huh?
I brought food for Roy.
You brought food for him? As what?
Because he's hungry.
Don't you get paid salary? Then why bring him food? Look, the next time you bring him food again, you get fired! Now, get out of here! Get out! Stupid ass. Come on, get out! And you? Why staring at me like that? Huh? No, you want to beat me?
No, ma'am.
No, beat me! Go ahead, beat me! No, touch me. Forming boss in a rich man's house. Aren't you ashamed of yourself? Stupid ass gate man. Hustle. Hustle. Double your hustle. So you'll not be forming boss in a rich man's house. Nonsense. Babe, you won't imagine what just happened. Okay, I was seeing a movie with Mary, what's her name, whatever she calls herself, my boyfriend's sister. The next thing, she excused herself, and I'm here, and guess who she's speaking to? The house help. Not like I'm upset or angry or anything. I really don't care, but you know, I have to be close to her. And the next thing, I don't know. I feel this is an insult to me. How can she just ditch me like that for a mere house help? Anyways, it's fine. I'll just speak to you later so we can catch up on other things, okay? Yeah. Bye.
Omo, this food was very nice. Oh.
I'm glad you enjoyed it.
Let me go and watch the plate. I'm coming.
No. Don't worry, I will help you do that.
Okay, you know what? Wait, I actually have something for you.
What is it?
I saw an abuki hawking this down the streets, and I thought it would look good on you.
I'm sorry, but I can't accept it. I mean, you're barely making money off being a gate man, and you want to spend your money on things like this.
This is the money that I would have used to buy myself food, but you already give me free food, so accept it.
And then at least use your money to do other reasonable things like buy things for
Camila,
your
you
family.
deserve it.
I'm sorry, I can't accept it.
Bring your hand, Joa. Can you not see? Can you not see? Can you not see? That's if it's you.
It's very beautiful.
Like you.
But please don't be spending your money on things like this.
It's just a gift now. Just for me to show my appreciation.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Are you okay?
I just can't sleep.
Is there a problem? Do you need someone to talk to?
No, I'll be fine.
I don't know what it is that you're going through, but whatever it is, it's going to get better, okay? I should go back to bed now. Good night.
It's you. You're the reason why I can't sleep at night.
Me? How?
The truth is, I like you. The night I gave you the bracelet, I should have told you, but I couldn't bring myself to tell you. I'm sorry for springing this up on you. You know what, I shouldn't have told you. I mean, I have nothing to offer you. I don't have anything, so...
I like you too. Yes. I like you too.
So, wow. This is the best day. This is the best night of my life. So, you mean you and I, so you're my girl?
Well, you didn't ask me yet.
Right. I didn't ask you. Okay, so Camila, will you be my girlfriend?
Sure.
I didn't plan to.
Yes.
Just fall for
Hey, where can I hug you?
ghetto love. I wasn't caught up for this. I didn't imagine this. I just find myself living in this love. I wasn't caught up for this, I didn't imagine it. I just find myself living in this love. I don't know how I feel, but this feeling is so special. I don't know how I feel, but this feeling is so special. Nobody knows the route love goes. Nobody can predict. Nobody knows who love will choose. Nobody can predict. It's just so natural. Nobody can change it. This love supernatural. Nobody can change it. I can't imagine that love took me to a different route. Oh no, no. It was like magic how we got to this. I didn't plan to just fall for this love. I wasn't caught up for this, I didn't imagine this. I just find myself living in this love. I wasn't caught up for this, I didn't imagine it. I just find myself.
Where are you coming from?
Me?
Where are you coming from?
The thing is, I couldn't sleep, so I went outside to receive some fresh air.
You went out to receive some fresh air.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Well, it's the same for me. I don't think I'm feeling sleepy. So how about we watch a movie together?
We?
Yes. We could do it upstairs if you're not comfortable.
Sure. Sure.
At least it's better than taking fresh air. So, what type of movies do you watch? Do you like horror at night?
I love K-dramas.
K-dramas.
Hi, sweetie. Hi, I'm in front of the hotel now. What's your room number? Okay, perfect. You see me in a bit. Okay. And why is it taking you so long to come open the door?
Oh, sorry, ma.
Sorry for yourself. A word about this to anyone, just be rest assured to lose your job. And don't forget, it's my world against yours. Sorry for yourself. Hey, sis.
Welcome.
Oh, how are you, my love?
Very fine, sorry. So how was the seminar?
It was
mind-blowing.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Have you spoken with my brother yet?
Your brother? Not yet.
Oh,
Yeah.
well, he called to... Wait, he said he was calling you, but you weren't picking up.
Oh my gosh. My phone must have been silent. I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Well, he called to tell you that he's coming back tomorrow.
Oh, wait, one sec. Uba is coming back tomorrow.
Yeah.
I'm so excited. I can't wait to see him.
I'm sure he can't wait to see you too.
Yes.
I told him so many nice things about you.
Okay, I'll just head on now and give him a call. Yes. Uba.
Good afternoon. Is there any problem?
Babe, what's up? Are you okay?
I'm just a bit worried.
Worried about what?
Well, I heard the boss is coming back tomorrow. What if he doesn't like me? What if he wants to fire me? How do I get another job?
So that's what's stressing you. I even thought you were mad that we'll be away from each other.
Roy.
So he's Roy now. He's no longer babe.
Well, that one is included.
Listen. You have nothing to worry about, okay? The boss is a really nice guy and I'm sure he will like you.
And how do you know that?
I've worked with the boss for the longest. I know him the most, so it's a mosquito. Don't worry. Okay?
Are you sure?
Don't you trust me? Cheer up. Come on, trust me. You have nothing to worry about, okay? Oh yeah, smile. Smile more now.
Why are you coming out from the car like that? Why are you dressed like that?
Brother!
Mary.
I miss you so much.
Hope you're good. Hope you're good.
Not been good, obviously.
What's going on here? Brother?
Oh, I know you're confused right now. This is my brother, your supposed boyfriend.
Wait. You mean Uba?
Mr. Opa is our cousin who is abroad. He just played along to, get you to do what we want.
Mary, where's Camila?
Oh, she's in the kitchen.
Alright, I'll go see her.
Yeah, I'll be right there.
Thank you.
Yeah, Miss Olas, please take care of her very well. I don't know what to do with her anymore.
Hello, ma. You better wake up. I know not pretend like this. I mean, I don't get trained to carry you.
I've been looking.
You wake up, I don't know what you did.
Just the one for me.
Hello.
And when
you hear me, so?
I thought I found you.
Oh, now you know.
And when you came,
hello, ma.
I thought I've stopped the search. Oh.
Now go leave you come up for you. Know go wake up. Now go pour water.
When you came, I thought I found the one. And when you came, I thought I've stopped the search. Oh. But you just prove you're a terror in the night. Wolves in sheep's clothing, predator pretending to be prey. But you just proved you're a terror in the night. Wolves in sheep's clothing, predator pretending to be prey. No, you are not the love I sought.
Babe, what are you doing here?
Babe, you're not supposed to be here, okay? What if the boss comes back and catches you here? Why are you dressed like this?
Listen, we need to talk.
Alright, no problem, okay? I'll come and see you at the duty post, but right now you have to go back. What if he comes back and you're not there to open the gate?
I am the boss.
You know you could lose your job. What did you just say?
I'm the boss.
Please tell me you're joking.
I can explain. Camila. I can explain. Camila, chill. Camila.
Calm down. You know, this is a lot to take in. Just give us space, okay? You can explain everything later.
Why are you dressed like this?
Listen, we need to talk.
Alright, okay, I'll come and see you at the duty post, but right now you have to go back. What if he comes back and you're not there to open the gate?
I am the boss.
Brother, calm down, please.
She has been in there for hours. What if she hurts herself?
And why would she do that?
I don't know. I'm worried.
Brother, she's just shocked. And it's normal for her to be shocked after hearing this kind of thing. Let's just give her time to put her thoughts together.
I'm running mad. With all this time I'm giving her. I'm running mad.
She'll come out very soon. I promise. Calm down, brother. Please.
See, I beg, it's enough. Just take. Leave my house,
You're even giving her money.
Just go. Did you not hear me? Do you want me to throw you out myself?
Baby. Wait, are you seriously calling him baby? You have the guts to call him after everything you did?
Sister-in-law.
Oh, please don't sister-in-law me. Don't do that. You think I don't know everything you did? You're such a pretender. And I'm very happy my brother did this. If not, he would have ended up with a gold digger. A mannerless and heartless one. Shush. I want you to go upstairs. Pick whatever you came with and get out of this house, or else I will show you what I'm made of. I will give you a dose of your own medicine, and trust me, you don't want to try it out. Now go upstairs and get out of this house.
Marie.
Oh, you can do it, right? Don't worry. I'll do it for you. This is all you came with, right? This is all you came with. Now,
Nice to you.
get out!
I was nice to you.
You were nice to me. Now let me tell you why you were nice to me. You were nice to me because I am the sister of the rich man you came to marry. You were nice to me. But in my absence, you always treat them like they're trash.
I'm sorry.
You were nice to me because I am rich.
No.
Now I need you to leave this house immediately. Or I call the police on you.
Marie.
Please. I don't want to repeat myself. I said get out. I said get out. Are you still here? Or you want me to make a call? You prefer... Get out!
Hey. I heard your room door open and close. I figured you'd be here.
Yes, I came to dish your food, sir.
Camila.
You're not hungry? Okay, should I dish the food later?
Can I at least explain myself?
Oh, let me just try and dish.
Camila, let's talk. Please, Camila.
Please what? You deceived me. You lied to me.
I had a reason.
What reason? Oh, you thought I was going to be with you for your money or something?
It wasn't about you.
Okay. Right. It wasn't about me. You know what? I actually came to this house because of my work, and I think I'll just focus on that, okay? Unless you want to fire me. After all, you're my boss.
Camila, please.
Can I attend to the food now?
Don't forget to tell her to come join us.
Fine, I will. Miss Camila. Please, can you join us, please? Like,
No,
eat
I
with us?
can't.
Why?
Because I'm very busy in the kitchen.
Oh.
So, if you would excuse me, take my leave.
Yeah. Brother, I told you, she's also angry with me. Would have been better if my brother had just continued as a gay man. At least we had more peace then.
Camila.
I brought you food.
Ah, really? Thank you so much. Thank you. Yes.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Just carry it. Okay. When you're done, just let me know so I can come and pick the plate.
No problem, sure.
Alright.
You know, the gold bangle looks good on you, though.
Huh?
I mean, the gold bangle, yeah.
Oh,
It looks
thank
good.
you.
It's really good, actually. You know, the only day he went to get the gold, we went together. So
You mean this is real gold?
it fits you, though.
I saw Anabuki hawking this down the streets. And
Camila.
I thought it would look good on you.
Hi, are you okay?
Yes, yes.
Are you sure?
I'm fine.
No problem. Thank you for the food.
You're welcome.
Are you sure you're okay?
Mm-hmm.
Come here.
I came to return this.
Come on, it's yours.
You can't accept it.
How did you...
Find out. So much for a bangle you bought from an Anabuki man.
I couldn't possibly tell you it was real gold considering the situation.
And that's why I can't accept it, because it's real gold.
Okay, at least let me explain.
I don't think I want you to explain. You had all the time in the world, but you didn't. I don't want to hear anything you have to say. It was better when I thought you were the gate man. At least I thought I knew you then. But right now, I don't think I know who you are. I'll be leaving now. Sir,
Brother, I want to gist with you.
No, Marie.
Why? I mean, for 2 weeks now we've been pretending. I've not been talking to you as much as I want.
Marie, please. Not now.
This is because of Miss Camila, right?
I just want to explain to her. But she won't even let me talk.
You know, we lied to her. And she needs space. Let's just give her space and we'll talk to her when she's much available and willing to listen.
For how long? It's been days. I'm going crazy not being able to talk to her. I don't know what to do.
It's okay. You just need to think about something else. Is it possible?
I'm afraid not.
But like, I really want to play with you, brother. Auntie Camila.
Yes?
I am, I'm having a difficulty in math. Please help me.
Okay.
I'm really sorry my brother and I lied to you.
Marie, can we not just talk about that, okay?
I'm really sorry. It's not my brother's fault. My brother has not been with any good lady before. In fact, the last one was not just a gold digger. She was an evil person.
Jesus Christ!
What's wrong with you?
Why would you do such a thing?
Do what? This is my boyfriend's house and my house as well, so I can do whatever I please.
Your boyfriend's house?
Yes?
This is my brother's house. There's a difference.
Oh, honey, not for long. I will make sure he chases you out of this house. Since you don't know how to mind your business.
Should I remind you that blood is thicker than water?
Since when?
Nothing you do will make my brother chase me out of this house. The least he can do is scold me.
That is what you think. But what you don't know is, I have your brother wrapped around my fingers. I gave him the sugar, not you.
Sugar.
Oh my God.
What's going on here? Why is she crying? What's going on? Why are you crying? What's happening?
It's your sister.
What did she do?
I went into the kitchen to get water and she just threw it on the floor.
Oh, Marie.
What? No! Brother, I didn't do that.
Stop
Why
lying.
would you do that? You know Jenny is so delicate and soft. Are you okay? Are you hurt? I'm so sorry. Let's go upstairs.
Brother, you have to listen to me. So you believe her over me?
I'm telling you to take it easy. You're always fucking her.
Me!
Please, just clean up that mess.
What do you pretend that I'm a liar, a manipulator? are you?
Marie! Sorry. Are you hot?
The glass didn't even break. Why is she crying like she's dead? He just...
Hi, babe.
Hey.
How's your day going?
Good. I'm just checking some stuff.
Babe, I have something to tell you.
Okay, what's that?
I need money.
Money? I sent you 500k yesterday.
Yes, I know, but you know, things are expensive now. And I had to purchase some very important things yesterday. And the money is finished. I need more. Please.
Okay, so how much do you need now?
Like 800,000.
All right, I'll send you later.
Okay, babe. Thank you. That's why I love you.
You're welcome.
All right. So I was doing something upstairs. Let me attend to it quickly.
All right, sure.
All right. Hey, Marie. How are you doing?
Brother, did you see what this girl is doing to you?
Her name is Jenny. No, Auntie Jenny to you.
Well, whatever her name is, I don't care right now. But she's obviously using you. She's extorting money from you.
Marie, can't you just allow me to be happy for once?
Allow
Jenny is my girlfriend. Just rest.
Allow you to be happy. Well, I'm not happy. And I cannot allow you to be happy because I'm not in support of this. You just gave her 500,000 naira and today she wants 800,000 naira. That's more than 1 million.
When you grow up, you understand.
When I grow up, I'll understand that you... This is not fair. This is not fair, really. Brother, be wise.
Babes, you know the kind of men I love now. You know the kind of men I like. Well-chested and matured men. Not all these small boys. This one, I'm just managing him. I'm telling you, if not because of the money he has, what would I be doing with him? I'm just here for his money. And once I get the kind of money I want from him, I would dump his sorry ass. He's always so petty, all over me, every time. It's too soft. I don't like him. It's not so manly. Just said I should give you this gist, Sha. It's late. Yeah, let me talk to you in the morning. All right. Good night.
Brother, wake up.
Oh, Marie, what is it now?
It's very important, wake up. Okay, it's about your girlfriend.
What happened to Jenny?
I've heard her making a call, and I think you need to hear it.
What call? I don't understand.
Just come and hear it yourself.
Okay.
But you have to be fast before she ends the call now.
I'm coming. Oh yeah, let's go.
Come.
Let's go now.
What's the matter? Is everything okay?
I saw you making a call now. I overheard your conversation.
What conversation are you talking about?
You were making a call now with your friend or whoever.
I just went to get juice.
You're obviously lying. Brother, she's lying.
Lying about what? What are you talking about?
It's enough.
I'm telling you what I heard. I can't just wake you up because I didn't hear anything. You know what? Check her call history.
Mary, that's too far.
Babe, it's fine.
I heard her making the call with her friend. Tell it.
Are you sure?
You can check.
No, check it. Check.
Her last call was 4 hours ago to me.
Let me see. No. You deleted something.
Deleted what? What are you talking about?
I know what I'm saying.
It's late. I would love to have some rest now.
Are you okay? Maybe you're tired.
No, I'm very tired. I was
She's
coming
saying
downstairs to get
things.
water and then... Brother, you have to believe me. Listen, she did something to that call. She did something to it.
Maybe you need to rest.
If you can just turn back and look at what she's doing right now.
Maybe you need to rest, Mary, okay?
Brother. So sure.
Jesus Christ.
Ola!
Are they gone?
Come and open this gate. What kind of nonsense is that? Huh? Olas, when did that one start?
Is you that something is wrong with? Wait, you think that this that guy dropped you, Abby? Yeah?
What guy are you talking about?
What guy? What guy are you talking about?
You are very stupid.
I don't even need to waste
You
time
are
with
very, very stupid.
Now you dey stupid.
I don't blame you.
No worry. Maybe I'll come back because I will just go tell him. Come over here.
You are an idiot.
Waka.
The joke will be on you.
Waka. Nonsense. Look at you. Kobo. Jesus Christ. This guy is a joke. No wahala. Hey, sir, I want to tell you. Sir. I know what's going on.
Olas! Olas! So this is the kind of person you are, right? Now listen, I want you to get your things and get the hell out of my house.
Sir, what have I done, sir?
Are you deaf? You're asking me what you've done. Let me call the police for you. Let me see you still
Sir,
here.
no need now. What have
I will arrest you if you stay. Get out from my house.
Sir, this guy is going on.
Are you normal? Are you normal? I said get your things and get out from here. Get out from this house.
I've come.
I don't want to ever see you here again. Get your things. Oh, you're still looking. This boy thinks I'm joking with him. You think I'm joking? God. Imagine a rapist in my own house. What rubbish.
Brother, what happened? I've been knocking since. I didn't even know that the gate was open. Where is Mr. Olas?
He's gone.
What do you mean he's gone? Gone, like...
I fired him.
Why?
He tried to rape Jenny.
What? Oh my God!
She's still traumatized. I just managed to put her to sleep now.
But why would Mr. Olas try to rape Miss Jenny?
I don't know.
Brother, I really don't think Mr. Olas is capable of doing that kind of thing. I mean, he has never done it before or tried to do it.
Wait, what did you just say? I just told you that someone almost got raped and the first thing you do is defend the culprit.
I'm not defending the culprit. I'm trying to tell you that the so-called victim might have made this up.
And why would she do that?
Who knows? Brother, I need you to take a step back and observe everything happening in this house. Maybe then you understand that Miss Jenny is not who you think she is.
Mary, it's enough. It's enough, I beg.
Brother, I'm trying to...
It's enough!
What?
I think it's a good idea.
You think it's a good idea for me to go to a boarding school? Excuse me, you put him up to this, right?
Mary, listen.
No, tell me, I'm your sister. She asked you, or should I say, she ordered you to send me to a boarding school.
No, it was my idea.
It was your idea?
I already made preparations for it. I just wanted to tell you so you prepare yourself.
Brother, no. At least listen to what I have to say about this.
Oh, darling. I told you this before. I have your brother exactly where I want him to be, wrapped around my pretty little fingers. See you in boarding school.
Hey, I got you something. You know, you mentioned your phone wasn't good, so I got you a new model. Since you're going to boarding house, you can use this to call me or, ask whenever you need something.
Brother, can't you see what this lady is trying to do to you? First, she made you fire the housekeeper. Then Mr. Olas. And now me.
Listen, Mary, it's not like that.
Can't you see she's trying to make you chase everyone close to you away? Can't you just stop and ask her why she's doing all of that? As for the phone, I'm not interested. You can take it. Please, I'd like to have my time alone.
All right.
No, just take it with you. Brother, I don't want it. I can see you're happy. I mean, you've successfully chased everyone out of this house. And now you've convinced my brother to ship me out too.
Oh, honey. Happy is not the word. I am elated. No. I am delighted down to my soul.
No matter how elated and delighted you are, I want to let you know that whatever plans you have for my brother will not work.
I doubt that part. You see, sweetheart, the next time you will see your brother, he'll be penniless because everything he owns, I'll take from him. And not even you, nor the gods, nor the devil can stop me.
I like your faith.
Oh yeah, you should. I was busy, so I would love to go back to what I was doing. Talk to you later.
Talk to you later. Or maybe never.
Hey, babe. I was busy inside when you came. I didn't hear you. Is everything okay? Did someone die?
Yes.
Who?
You.
What? Haha, funny. Babe, please,
Yeah, I'll show you why I said you just died.
You see, sweetheart, the next time you will see your brother, he'll be penniless because everything he owns, I'll take from him.
And not even you, nor the gods, nor the devil can stop me.
Babe. Don't you dare beg me! I trusted you! I loved you! And this is how you pay me back!
No, babe, that's...
Oh, shut up!
I was joking, Marie. You know I was joking.
Shut up! Listen, it's over. I want you to go upstairs and get your sheets and get the hell out of here.
It hasn't gotten to that.
Are you deaf? I'm not joking with you. I said get out of here.
He said, get out.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's okay, brother. Look, all that matters to me now is that you know the truth. It's okay, please. Stop crying.
I'm not crying. Like I say, you know what? I need to call Olas. I need to call Olas. I need to call the housekeeper. Who's that?
Calm down, please.
It's fine. It's fine.
Calm down, please. You can do this without crying and feeling bad.
I'm not crying. What are you talking about, kiddo? You just call them. It's fine. It's fine.
After that encounter, my brother vowed never to have anything to do with any other lady. But later on, his friend called him, telling him about a lady he met, and she's really nice. And that lady happens to be Miss Tricia. But because my brother didn't really trust her, he decided to test her. You know, the best way to know a person's true character is to know how he or she treats the poor. So he told the gate man to take a leave, and he replaced him immediately. The house help couldn't come back because he had already fired her. We really needed a house help, and that was how you came to play. Ma, at no point did we think my brother was going to ever fall for you or have any feelings. The plan was just to, know who Miss Julia really is, and we know her true color now. All I want you to know is that my brother is really in love with you. And I have a feeling you feel the same way about him. I know we deceived you and we lied to you, but can't you see there's a reason for that? Please forgive us.
Camila.
Mary and I spoke.
Listen, about that, I just want to tell you.
Can I ask you something?
Sure.
What do you do?
What do you mean?
I mean, for a young guy like you, with all of this world, I was wondering...
You were wondering what? That I was into scam? I'm a software developer.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. So you're one of those tech guys.
Something like that. So you don't need to worry about me using it for ritual anytime soon.
Anytime soon?
Oh, I mean ever. Yeah. I love you, Camila.
I love you too.
I didn't plan to just fall for this ghetto love.
Hold on.
I wasn't caught up for this. I didn't imagine this. I just find myself living in this love. I wasn't caught up for this. I didn't imagine it. I just find myself living in this love. I don't know how I feel, but this feeling is so special. I don't know how I feel, but this feeling is so special. Nobody knows the route love goes. Nobody can predict. Nobody knows who love will choose. Nobody can predict. It's just so natural. Nobody can change it. This love supernatural. Nobody can change it. I can't imagine that love took me to a different route. Oh no, no. It was like magic how we got to this. I didn't plan to just fall for this. I wasn't caught up for this. I didn't imagine this. I just find myself living in this.
Oh my God! Who is this beauty?
Oh, wow. You look gorgeous. And the clothes fit you perfectly. If I knew you to look this good, I would have gotten you more.
Guys, the room would have been the best place for that.
Right.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, lest I forget. All right. Just send in your salary.
What? You sent me 500,000. I mean, this is more than my salary.
Yeah, there's just a little something extra.
Thank you.
It's no biggie, you deserve it. You deserve a lot more.
Yeah.
Hello. Good afternoon. Sorry to disturb you.
I came to see a friend of mine in this estate, but my phone went off, so I can't contact her, and I've been stranded since. So if you don't mind, if I can use your phone to make a call, I'll be fast, I promise.
Yes, sure.
Thank you. God bless you.
No problem.
Thank you. It's not going through. Thank you.
Are you okay? Are you sure you're fine?
I'm fine. Don't worry, I'll figure out something.
Really?
Yeah. Thanks a lot. Thank you. God bless you.
Yeah.
What are you doing outside?
I went to the market to get some stuffs.
Oh, okay. Talking now.
Alright.
Yeah, like there's something about strolling. It's so refreshing. You know, you can unwind. You know, just get your mind off everything that's been happening. It's so nice, actually. So, what do you guys have to say? Come on, really? Is that I came out with some people. Really, I feel like I'm alone right now.
I'm get it though.
You guys should wait. Why are you laughing?
I searched for a while. It was
Wait, Miss
difficult.
Camila,
It's kind of difficult,
are you going to break the girl code because of my brother?
Wait,
I'll call you back. I'll call.
Oh well.
Hi, Camila. Hello.
Hi. How do you know my name? I don't remember telling you.
Are you acting like this because everything worked out?
Everything worked out. What worked out?
Are you acting like this because the plan for you to get to Roy's house is successful? That's why you're acting like you don't know me.
Babe, what's going on? What's she talking about?
Camila here and I have...
you. Hey, what's happening? What's she talking about?
I have no idea.
That's me calling. Check her phone. You see my number is saved to her phone. If you don't know me, like the way you pretend not to, how would my number be saved on your phone?
Miss, is this the reason why you took my phone?
Camila, I've always known you to be a liar, a pretender, and a manipulator, but the fact you're doing it to me, to your best friend.
Babe, what's going on here? Someone should explain.
Camila here and I have been friends for a while now. She used to have a crush on you, but she felt you were way out of her league. Then, unfortunately for her, she lost her job. She applied for a housekeeping agency, and luckily for her, she got posted to your house. She has always known you. That was why she was nice to you right from the very first day she saw you.
What are you saying?
Why are you treating me like this? You have to deny me in front of everybody.
Roy! I don't know how, why are you doing this to me? I'm talking to you. Who sent you? Maria, I don't know her. I don't know what she's talking about. Please believe me.
Brother, don't tell me you believe what that lady said. It's obviously not the truth. I mean, Miss Camila is not like that. She's not that type of lady.
And how sure are you?
Really, brother?
Yes, really. They both had each other's contact saved on their phone.
But I promise you, I don't know that lady.
Can you stop lying?
I'm not lying.
Okay, then how do you have a number in your phone and how does she have your number?
It was just the day I went to the market. The day you talked to me, remember? She came up to me and she said she was stranded. That's how she saved my number on her phone, I swear. I'm not lying.
Am I wearing Pampers? Am I a child? Do I look like a child to you? What kind of...
Please, you have to believe me. I don't know that lady.
I can sell this story to someone else, but me, I'm not buying it.
Roy.
You know, I always used to wonder why you were so nice to me when I was a common gate man, but now it don't make sense. Because you already knew who I was. You're all the same. All of you are the same. You're just a snake.
Roy. Roy, please listen to me.
It's okay. Please, it's okay, Ma.
You need to believe me, I don't know that lady. Besides, I only found out about your brother's identity the day he told me in the kitchen.
I believe you. I believe you, okay?
It doesn't.
It's okay. It's okay.
You did a fantastic job.
Thank you.
There. Your money.
Nice doing business with you.
And you too.
Brother. Remember, we have spare keys to each other's room. Brother, I know you've been through a lot in the hands of ladies, and ladies have deceived you and lied to you. Now you don't trust anyone. But please, Miss Camila is different.
Why are you so sure?
I'm very sure. I mean, I spent time with her when you were pretending to be a gatesman. I was watching her without her knowledge. She couldn't have been pretending all those times.
Harry, I don't want to talk about this. Please just leave me alone.
Brother Roy, if you could just listen to me and understand that might have been a setup or maybe something like that.
Harry, just leave me alone, please.
Fine then. It's okay. But I'm also angry with you.
Food is ready.
Wow, what smells so nice? Ah, food is ready. This is really good. Whatever is in those plates, I will eat them. Where's my brother? Did he come downstairs? It's fine. I didn't mean to talk about that. So let's eat.
Yes.
Hi.
What are you doing here?
I think I left my clothes here.
No, you didn't.
Okay, that's just an excuse. I'm here to just apologize for everything. Roy, I'm so sorry. Babe, I'm sorry.
Hello, Olas. I need you to come in and remove this woman from here. And don't you ever allow her to step foot in this compound.
Babe? Roy, I'm so sorry. Please, forgive me. Don't touch me. Let go of me. Don't touch me. Babe, please.
Madam, go now.
Baby? Babe? Babe?
Use door. Flow like this.
Babe?
Hey. Can we at least talk?
What?
I'm sorry, but I already got a new job.
Why would you apply for another job?
Well, staying in this house is no longer good for my mental health, and that's why I must leave.
What about me? Will you just leave me here like that?
Mary, I just have to go, okay?
I totally understand. And I'm really sorry about my brother.
No, it's not your fault. You don't have to apologize.
So, when are you leaving?
Tomorrow.
What? No, that's so soon. Should have stayed for 3 more days. That's not fair.
I'm sorry.
I'm going to miss you.
Me too. Come here.
Brother, you need to see this now.
What is it, Mary?
Just come already. Please, before... Come. I'd like to show you something. Look. You see? So do you still think she was just nice to you because she knew who you were?
Good morning, sir.
Wait, why do you have your bag?
Because I'm leaving.
What? Why didn't you tell me?
I was trying to talk to you for days or even a week or more, but it seemed like you didn't want to listen.
Alright, I'm sorry. We can't talk now.
Right. But I guess it's too late. I already found a new job.
Okay, then refund them. I'll pay. I'll cover whatever cost.
So you're like this too? You think money can cover up for anything, right?
All my life.
All your life what? Well, I get it. You believe every lady you've been with wants to be with you because of your money. You think everybody's the same. I don't think I want to spend the rest of my life trying to convince someone that I'm not with them for their money. It's exhausting.
I'm sorry.
But you didn't listen. I tried to talk to you, I tried to reach out to you, but you chose to believe a lady, a stranger over me. I don't think I would want to be with someone that...
I know you're not like that. You accepted me when you thought I was a security man. Let's make this work.
And yet, you chose to believe a stranger over me. What if tomorrow something happens and you choose to believe them over me again? Okay, what do I do then? I think I'm done with this conversation. Goodbye, Roy.
I've been searching for the one, just the one for me. I've been looking for the one, just the one for me.
At the moment, she just started talking.
And when you came, I thought I found you.
I feel like she shouldn't have acted that way.
And when you came, I thought I stopped the search. Oh.
Even understood the
And when you came, I thought I found the one. And when you came, I thought I've stopped the search. Oh.
What?
But you just prove you're a terror in the night. Wolves in sheep's clothing, predator pretending to be prey. But you just proved you're a terror in the night. Wolves in sheep's clothing, predator pretending to be prey.
Since you don't want to talk to me.
No, you are not the love, oh, the love I sought. No, you are not the one, oh, the one I search.
Thank you for the food.
You're welcome.
How's your new job?
It's going well. It's going fine. And how are you?
Fine. I hope they're not stressing you much.
No, not at all. Are you sure you're okay?
I'm actually not so okay. I mean, ever since you left the house, nothing has been working.
How about him?
To be honest with you, he's not been fine at all. He's been a shell of himself since you left. Miss Camila, don't you think it's time to come back? Please, come back home.
Mary, I love your brother. I'm not going to lie about it. But I don't want him to think that I'm around him because of his money or something.
No, I don't think he thinks so.
I need the assurance from him.
He's really sorry about what...
Marie?
Wait, what are you doing here? Why did you come here?
I want to apologize.
Oh.
The lady, I sent her to come say things the other day to Roy. I'm so sorry. I was so jealous of the relationship you have with Roy. I mean, I thought I could successfully ruin the relationship, but it's looking like there's nothing for me.
Oh yeah, of course, there's nothing for you there.
And my pastor said that the only way I can be a better person is if I apologize to people I've wronged. So here I am, pleading and apologizing to the both of you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I have to go now. I'll be on my way.
Wait. So she sent that lady. This whole thing makes sense now.
What? Okay, I'm coming. Where is he? How are you standing here? Mary called me and she told me you fainted. So how are you here?
I made her do it.
You made her do what? Do you know how serious this is? Do you have any idea how worried I was?
I know, but I just had to get you to come here.
I'm leaving.
Wait. Please, just give me a minute. I'm sorry for treating you like the other girls I've been with. The truth is, you're nothing like them. You didn't deserve that. I'm sorry for believing that stranger over you. I'm sorry for ignoring you and acting like you didn't exist. But most importantly, I'm sorry for not saying this the day the stranger lied about you. Camila, I know that your presence in my life has nothing to do with money.
Don't tell me Mary made you say that.
Well, she hinted.
Mary?
So, can you give me another chance?
I'll think about it. Well, I think I have another chance to spare.
Thank you. I love you, Camila.
I love you too, Roy.
Yeah, please cut the scene. There's a minor in here.
I actually forgot she was here.
Oh, you know what? I don't like to cut you guys short. Let me just go to my room, lock myself in there. Whenever you guys are done, just knock on my door, okay?
I've been searching for the one, just the one for me. I've been looking for the one, just the one for me. And when you came, I thought I found you. And when you came, I thought I'd stop the search, oh. And when you came, I thought I found the one. And when you came, I thought I'd stop the search, oh. But you just prove you're a terror in the night. Wolves in sheep's clothing, predator